Volusia County's east side got hit with heavy rain overnight. Several areas flooded, some cars stalled, and water even got inside homes and businesses.
Oh, what a mess. WESH 2's Volusia County reporter Pamela Combe is live in New Smyrna Beach this afternoon, where the cleanup is still underway. Pamela.
It is. Some business owners here on Flagler Avenue started their day as early as 4 this morning. Some had to delay opening their stores. Others just closed for the entire day as they worked to dry up their floors and clean up all the muck, mud, and sand left behind.
Sunday night, Flagler Avenue in New Smyrna Beach sat under several inches of water. Business owner Teresa Nash says it got worse as drivers kept rolling through.
They pushed the barricades out of the way and still continued to drive fast up and down. We probably wouldn't have had that much water had it not been for the people making wake.
Nash had to close her store for the day.
I am still mopping and getting up sand that washed in through the doors.
She also lost some merchandise.
We just lost a few dozen t-shirts and boxes that we used to box up glass products. You know, it's mainly just clean up water.
This is my cul-de-sac.
And it wasn't just businesses over in Port Orange. Homeowners were dealing with flooding too.
Flood water, again, in my house.
The Stevensons' home left in ankle-deep water, but it's not the first time it's happened, and they knew just what to do.
We had things from last time from Milton. We had the wet dry vac, and we have industrial-sized fans, so we went right on that and just drying the areas out and making sure that it was taken care of.
He says the drains in his backyard are working, but the ones maintained by the city out front aren't.
It was so heavy, and the fact that those drains, you came out and looked at them, they weren't doing any work.
For now, all they can do is clean up. It's something they've learned to deal with, but they hope things improve.
Now I just take it all in stride and clean it up.
And New Smyrna Beach officials do tell us that they did deploy a vacuum truck to help suck up all that standing water, and they'll continue to monitor those affected areas. We also reached out to the city of Port Orange about how they addressed all the flooding and their next steps, but we are still waiting to hear back. Covering Volusia County, live in New Smyrna Beach, Pamela Combe, WESH 2 News.